Bitter gourd, Momodica charantia, package of practices. Bitter gourd is an important cucurbitaceous vegetable of Kerala. Season: January to March and September to December are the ideal seasons. For the rainfed crop, sowing can be started after the receipt of first few showers during May to June. Varieties: Priya, Preeti, Priyanka, Arka Harit are high-yielding varieties. Priyanka is recommended for acid alluvial soils of Kerala. Seed rate 5 to 6 kg per hectare. Spacing 2 meter into 2 meter. Sowing: pits of 60 cm diameter and 30 to 45 cm depth are taken. Well-rotten FIM, farmyard manure and fertilizers are mixed with topsoil in the pit and seeds are sown at the rate 4 to 5 per pit. Unhealthy plants are removed after 2 weeks and only 3 plants are retained per pit. Apply farmyard manure at the rate 20 to 25 tons per hectare as basal dose along with half dose of nitrogen 35 kg and full doses of phosphorus and potassium 25 kg each. The remaining nitrogen 35 kg can be applied in several split doses at fortnightly intervals. After cultivation: during the initial stages of growth, irrigate at 3 to 4 days interval and alternate days during flowering or fruiting. Irrigation at 15 mm CPE, approximately at 3 days interval for sandy loam soils, is more economical than irrigating once in 2 days, especially during summer months for water economy. Erect pandals when the plants start vining. Conduct weeding and raking of the soil at the time of fertilizer application. Earthing up is done during rainy season. Pests: fruit fly, Bacteriocera cucurbitae. Apply carbaryl 10% DP in pit before sowing of seeds to destroy the pupae. In homestead gardens, the fruits may be covered with polythene, cloth or paper bags to ensure mechanical protection. In large gardens, apply carbaryl 0.2% or malathion 0.15% suspension containing sugar or jaggery at 10 gram per liter at fortnightly intervals at flowering and fruit initiation. Spray as coarse droplets on the ventral surface of leaves. Remove and destroy affected and decayed fruits. It can also be effectively controlled by the use of banana fruit traps coupled with the removal and destruction of infested fruit. It is more efficient than 2 sprayings with insecticides. Traps are to be set at a distance of 2 meters after a border row and they must be replenished after 7 to 9 days. Start bait trapping just before flowering. Pests: Epilacna beetle. Remove and destroy egg masses, grubs and adults occurring on leaves. Spray carbaryl 0.2%. Red pumpkin beetle. Adult beetle eats the leaves, make hole on foliage and causes damage on root and leaves. Incorporate carbaryl 10% DP in pits before sowing the seeds to destroy grubs and pupae. Plant lice: apply 1.5% fish oil soap. First, dissolve soap in hot water and then make up the volume. Alternatively, apply dimethoate 0.05%. Diseases: downy mildew. It is severe during rainy season. This can be checked by spraying mancozeb 0.2%. Waiting period of mancozeb is 3 days. Powdery mildew can be controlled by spraying dinocap 0.05%. Mosaic: control the vectors by spraying dimethoate 0.05%. Uprooting and destruction of affected plants and collateral hosts should be done. Harvesting can be done only after at least 10 days of insecticide or fungicide application. The fruits should be washed thoroughly in water before cooking. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.